So what's good, guys? We're gonna wait for about a minute or so for people to jump on board. This is gonna be like a gold TTTM example. So we're gonna be trading gold to the money, or just not trading gold to the money, but this is a trade that I took yesterday when I took gold to the money. So I want you guys to jump on board. Let's see how many people we can get on board in this live. If the metrics for this live stream does well, then I might do more of it. If it doesn't, then I'll just keep all of this stuff on YouTube anyway. So yeah, drop some hearts, drop some waves, drop anything right now. So I'm gonna be in here breaking down this. So whilst everyone else is jumping on board, I want you guys to look at this chart and try and see what I see before I share what I see. You understand? So yeah, let's see how many people we can get on board. We're gonna wait for about a minute, and then I'm gonna break down every single thing that I saw yesterday when I took this trade. Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna read some comments as well. I'm gonna be reading some comments as well. So we got who in the building? We got Chow Mein, Fraz in the building. We got Sana in the building. We got Sanjay. We got Ali FX. I see you, bro. We got Gian Maria. I think that's how you pronounce it. We got Elise. Who else we got? We got Ali FX. We got, and I can't pronounce all these names, man. That's what I'm saying. I can't pronounce all these names. I'll start getting myself in trouble right now. But yeah, just hello to you guys. Good morning or good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. We're going to be breaking down this gold. This is gold, by the way. I don't want to move my screen. This is gold. This is a trade that I took yesterday, and I just want to share it with you guys. So try and see what I see. Try and look at this chart to find out, or to analyze this chart from what you can see, just from the portion of price action right now. But like I said, if the metrics do well for the channel, and my doing well for these live streams are if they get tons of likes, get tons of comments. So for example, let's just say if they get 300 likes, I know this live does well, and then I'll do another one of these. If they get tons of comments, I'll do another one of these as well. So yeah, let's go. We're gonna break this down. I'm gonna be using my finger actually to point at the screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm targeting. And let me know where you're coming in from, whether it's the UK, US, whether it's Nigeria, wherever you're coming in from. It could be Brazil, it could be anywhere. Let me know where you're coming in from. I want to know where my audience is from too, so we can hear you, Mr. Iwa. That's good. That's great. Awesome. Lovely. And if you guys are part of my YouTube subscribers already, thank you so much. The goal is to get to 50,000 by the end of the year, so we can do it. So if you're not subscribed so far, I don't know what you're doing. You're probably playing yourself right now. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get into this now. Okay, so we got Stratford upon Avon. Okay, we got South Africa, we got Ireland, we got DRC. We don't know what DRC is actually. Cool. So cool. India. Oh, we got someone from India here. That's good. All right, so this is gold. This is gold right here. Let me load down this music now. There we go. Sweet. So this is gold. Yeah, what I wanted you guys to do is I wanted you guys to look at the chart now. I wanted you guys to look at the chart and see whether you could have jumped in at any point. Try and, identify where the money is, identify, your institutional candles and so on and so forth as well. So that's what I wanted you guys to do. And so if you've done it already, that's good. That's blessed. That's awesome. This was yesterday's price action. Oh, we got Nigeria in the building. We got Australia in the building. That's good. We got Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, that's what DRC is. So I'll do my best to remember that too. Cool, lovely. So if you've managed to see some stuff on the chart already, that's blessed. That's good. It means that you're seeing a bit more beyond what the normal retail trader sees as well, which is good. But this is gold right here. We're on a 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame on gold, and I'm going to break down what I saw on gold to take this to the money. So I'm going to put my annotations back on. There we go now. So you can see we got the gold TTTM, and then I'm just going to break down what I saw for you guys, so you guys can just understand what's going on right now. And like I said, if the metrics for this video does well, I'm gonna do some more of these. And if it doesn't do well, you just have to stay on YouTube. Cool. So first of all, I'm gonna leave all of this on here so you guys can see it. This right here, all of this whole push up ran out the money to the left. All of this money on this side, right? So this became an institutional candle. And what you want to see with these institutional candles is you want to then see them break back beneath the institutional candle. So you can see the up close candle, they break back beneath the up close candle, all of this action here. So you can just all of this action here, they break back beneath it. And then what you want to see is you want to see them come up for mitigation. Which is what they did right here. They did all of this. They consolidated here for a little bit, and then they traded back up into the institutional candle over here. And then they broke down. So ideally what you want to do is you want to get your entry. Oh, I moved the screen. There we go. So ideally what you want to do is you want to get your entry somewhere within the up close candle. Yeah, when price comes up to mitigate the up close candle. That was where you would most likely want to get your entry. But you don't have to get it there. You can wait for the move to break down a bit more and then catch it on the next one, which is what I did, which I'm going to explain in a minute. But I also want to explain to you where I was targeting to. And so whenever you see some kind of congestion, as you can see, there's like consolidation here, the price is moving sideways, something's happening over here. So normally there's normally like a build-up of orders. People are looking to go long. And the opinion of the market now is that after the break lower, they're consolidating. There's no more strength to go. Oh, you can't see. After the break lower, yeah, this whole break lower, they're consolidating over here. And then what the opinion of the market is that, okay, price is now slowing down. We're going to go higher. And so people get the piece of the pie. Yeah. So in other words, when I say that, I mean price then trades higher. That's what I'm saying. But you have to think about what is over here. There's going to be money down here. Okay. Because every single person who was, who had the opinion of that price was going to go higher, they would have jumped in for buy at this low over here and put their stop loss somewhere within here. Okay. That's what they would have done. And so what happens is when price trades away, every single person who jumps in for a buy over here gets excited, and then they get a higher low where they're putting their money beneath this low again. So in other words, what's happening? More liquidity has been generated beneath this low down here. And so when they trade up for mitigation, if you miss this entry for whatever reason from the last up close candle, if you ever miss that entry, you don't need to panic. You can just wait for the next best opportunity to enter the trade. Yeah. So that's what you could do. And so I didn't jump into the trade here. I wasn't looking at gold at this point. But what I decided to do was I decided to wait for price to break down again to catch the more established trade. So in other words, I wanted to see them respond. I didn't want to see. I just wasn't looking at the charts at the time. But they responded off of this institutional candle. That was blessed. So now they've responded off of it. I wanted to see them come back to another institutional candle, get an entry, and then trade lower. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in now just a little bit so you guys can see a bit more. So now check this out. This is one of the most important things about trading well. You need to be able to trade well. And in fact, before I even go on, if you're getting value from this, if you're liking this so far, I want to see the metrics, man. I want to see those waves, those hearts. I want to see some comments. I want to see something up in here. And I'm seeing in the chat box, some of you guys have already seen this move as well, which is really good. So yeah, that's really good. So you're seeing a bit more than what the normal retail trader sees. And when I say that, I just mean the person who trades retail concepts. And so one last time. Okay, cool. So one of the things about trading well, is that you know when to take partial profits. If you follow me and my YouTube channel, if you follow me trading towards the money and you're part of the liquidity gang, I want you to be taking partials. Yes, it's all good getting amazing R, but I want you to be taking partial profits, okay? Because partial profits are what's going to grow your account. And we just shut the door so that the lighting might have changed a bit. Cool. So taking partial profits. Yeah, I don't care about no one else's YouTube channel. I don't care about no one else, what anyone else does. I want you to be taking partials because that's how you're going to compound your account. And so when price trades lower, yeah, as you can see, they trade lower. I take partials at this low. Why? Because they're running out liquidity to the left. The stop losses, okay? And so then what I do is I then let the remainder of the trade do the hard work. And so I normally tell my mentees, I let my runner do the leg work. So in other words, my runner is going to do the groundwork, it's going to do the hard work. This was the easy work to get to the money. What it does after that, yeah, is going to be the harder work. It's going to be the leg work. And so I let my runners do the leg work. And obviously with your runners, you need to have a point of interest where you want your runners to go. Don't just let your runners just go. That's just crazy. You know, you don't. I'm just holding this trade. No, you don't need to be just holding the trade. What you need to do is you need to have a higher time frame or another higher time frame perspective. I'm not going to go into that right now. That's something I shared with my mentees yesterday. My higher time frame perspective was I wanted it to get to around this level, and then this is where I closed off the runner. So in other words, I took partial profits over here. Okay, when they ran out liquidity, and then I let my runner do the leg work. And as you can see what happened. The price started slowing down. So move that. Price started slowing down all over here. Okay, so let me zoom in a bit more so you guys can see that. There we go. Let me zoom into this now. You can see here, price is slowing down now. I don't care about no wicks. I don't trade no candlestick patterns or nothing like that. But you can see these big pushes. Yeah, I like to see my trades move with speed. These big pushes, yeah, there's no more big pushes down here. Price is just doing whatever it wants to do. In other words, just accumulating orders and potentially to go long, which was another trade that we took. We actually went long roughly about 2 o'clock. Yeah, or just I went long before 2 o'clock. Other mentees went long just after 2 o'clock. But anyway, I want to explain to you guys why I was trading gold to the money. Okay, it was a short-term play. Let's just bring out the ruler from the wicks, yeah, to the money. That's 40 pips. By the way, don't let anyone ever tell you. Let me zoom in so you can see this. I don't know if you can see this right now, but don't let anyone ever tell you that 40 pips isn't enough. That is more than enough, especially for the week. Obviously we catch more, but I'm just saying a 40 pip move is more than enough. That is enough to catch a really good R. And then your runners do the legwork, as you can see, all of this to the left. This was on a 1 minute time frame. This all happened on a 1 minute time frame. But you're gonna see this on multiple time frames. You're gonna see price doing this. And just to let you guys know that never ever feel like the move is gone. So let me zoom in a bit more so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Never ever feel like the move is done. When you see this play, they trade away. They normally generate some kind of money down here after they trade away. Yeah, generate some kind of money down here. And then when they come back to mitigate the up close candle, because that's what you want to see. You want to see them mitigating and coming out of drawdown of their positions. Then when price is trading away, if you don't catch an entry at the high somewhere, then look for the next best possible entry to then take it lower. And then once you take it lower, don't be that person who's greedy. You just want to catch the full move all the time. No, take your money at liquidity, right? Take your money at liquidity. Trade well, and let your runners do the legwork. All right then, so that's going to be the end of this. Like I said, if the metrics are blessed for this, what I'm going to be doing is I will be doing more of this as well, but I need to see some good metrics. I need to see some likes. I need to see probably about 300 likes on this IG live. I need to see tons of comments as well, because then I know you guys are getting value. And if you are getting value, drop a comment down below. If you learned something today, drop a comment down below. Have a blessed day, and we'll keep it moving. All right, take care everyone, and bless.